Today we're going to be replacing a sink drain here. We've gone and removed all the pieces underneath. I'm going to show you how to install this. So the first thing that we want to do here is we got some plumber's putty, and we're just going to roll it and to seal the base of the drain there. So we just want to line the outside of the base of the drain there, the base of the sink, sorry, to make sure we have not too much so it goes everywhere, but enough that it will seal the base of the sink there. So then we'll go ahead and I'm going to put the outer ring of the stopper on, push it down so there's a lot of pressure, and it will force a lot of the plumber's putty on either side, but we can clean that up later. We just want to make sure that we have, again, sufficient amount that it will block any leaks or as we fill up the sink. So the first thing we did here after we put the plumber's putty down is we went and attached the new pipe underneath to the ring around the base of the drain here and got that attached.
Okay, that's probably good now.
And so now underneath what we're doing, we are just tightening that up to make sure that it's nice and snug on there and it's well sealed. Put the nut on first, and then you'll slide a washer in on the pipe. So you just want to make sure that as you're putting the new P-trap on, you might have to adjust a little bit and kind of fidget with it, but you just want to make sure that you get it nice and centered. So the next thing we want to do here is install the stopper. We're going to just put this in through the bottom of the sink there, and then down underneath we're going to make sure we have the stopper arm there. We're just going to go ahead and install it in the back. You'll see that little opening there. We just want to meet the opening of the stopper with the arm so that it will adjust properly. So you just want to make sure as you move the arm up and down, once you get it inside that hole with the stopper, as you move it up and down, as it goes down, it should open it up like that, and then if you move the arm up, it should close it and seal it like that.